Direct Line has been in the market for the last 20 years, and we have been offering our services. Our forte. Wow.
In the gross county product report by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, which was released last year, 2025, Meru County recorded the highest number of registered farmers in Kenya, a figure of around more than 283,000 registered farmers. That accounts for about 4.4% of the total registered farmers in Kenya. I'm mentioning this because these things require insurance. And the people you see around here, in fact, I'm surprised I've not had anybody mention that directly to you. They have started offering agricultural insurance. They are products for agriculture, which we need our people to tap in.
I am encouraged by the increasing confidence that insurance companies are showing in Meru County. Today, we proudly host 21 insurance companies with branches in Meru County. This growing presence is a vote of confidence in our county's economical potential and presents an opportunity for our people to access insurance products, services with greater convenience. I therefore urge our residents to seize this opportunity, engage with the experts gathered here, ask questions to seek clarification, and to explore the various products available.